So, I haven't shot anything in a few days, so I'm just out in the shop, just shooting shit, just shooting something. So, we got the calipers all rebuilt for this guy right here, and we got this Parts Shop Max wheel spacer kit, which has a number of different wheel spacer sizes, all built into one kit, which is really nice. They give you both sides. I have the same set of spacers for my Z. We ended up putting a 5mm spacer on the back for the version 1 wheels to clear a 2-pot, which is hard to see the 2-pot in there, but it's in there. And then in the front, we decided to try the 15mm right off the bat, which fits pretty well. Our only problem right now is the factory lug nuts are just simply not deep enough to make the wheel tight. So we're going to need to get some new lug nuts for the front. And it fits pretty flush with the 15mm spacer on here, which is nice. So, but as you can see, we got brand new centric premium rotors. We did Hawk HPS pads in here, as well as obviously rebuilding the calipers. So that's the story on this guy here, which actually I'm just looking at that. That's not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be in there. I'm gonna have to look at that one. Anyways, I got a brand new clear marker, corner marker for this guy. I don't know if you can see the crack in there, but we got a brand new OEM clear corner to put on here too. In other news, this car is still waiting to be picked up. That's my Outback. And then this car I'm taking for an alignment tomorrow. This car will be getting picked up Friday finally. And looks damn good though. And yeah, and then Z still needs some reprep from Grid Life. But one really big thing that we got back this past week is we got our Escort Kazi motor back in. So a few things still left on this that we need to figure out, but it's pretty much there. We're just waiting for some parts to come in from the UK, and then we'll be ready to put this back in its home. This beautiful German spec Kazi Escort with the big wing. But yeah, that's pretty much it for now. Yeah, I mean, you know, August is finally done. It seemed like it took forever for August to finish, but we're just about there. So some bigger projects on the horizon besides the Cosworth, getting the motor back in the Cosworth. We had another motor show up today as well. This is going to be for a customer's bug eye. So we're going to put this in. He's got some head gasket issues and just wants to do that. We also did convert this 6-speed to rear-wheel drive with a spool last week while we were at Rally Spec picking up the Kazi motor. That's going to be for like an 04, 05 WRX wagon. So that's kind of what we got on the horizon, and maybe another turbo swap in a Forester, an old SF Forester. But yeah, you know, things coming along. Got a lot going on, as usual. Oh, got the hiccups. Peace. See you, dude. Enjoy.
Thank you.
the blue car that showed up to me that had basically just about needed a full rebuild. But on to the next one. We've been working on this guy right here. We did brakes, 2-pot, 4-pot rebuild, rotors, pads, spacers, lug nuts, and we're having potential head gasket issues. So this thing's been spraying coolant. Kind of see it all over the car there. Yeah, so now we get to test for that and try to fix that and figure that one out.